If you miss the next 5 years, you're finished financially.
The biggest money wave since the dot-com era has already started. Governments are quietly moving. America's GDP. $30 trillion.
Real power. $7 trillion budget.
When governments spend big, industries reshape overnight.
Their 2026 plan shows 5 sectors ready to explode.
Artificial intelligence is first.
AI infrastructure, data centers, semiconductors, advanced computing. This is not optional. It's a global race. Winner of AI controls the century. Second, rare earth metals. Stop relying on China. Mining, refining, new supply chains. Risky. Political. Big signal of power shift. American manufacturing. Factories returning to U.S. soil. Tariffs. Tax breaks. Billions in subsidies. Not just business. Long-term strategy. Control. Defense. Not just tanks and guns. Border enforcement. Immigration. Private prisons. Cybersecurity. Pressure rises. Spending skyrockets.
Fifth, energy. AI consumes electricity fast. Investments in fossil fuels, nuclear, utilities, power grids. Data centers run on megawatts, not hope. Growing sectors, not guaranteed profits. Bad CEO, poor cash flow, recession, can wipe gains instantly. Government spending shows direction. Your research decides survival.
Wealth shift is happening slow. Most people realize too late.
Understand money flow. No predictions needed. Awareness is power.
Next 5 years reward action. Blind guessing gets punished.